Okay.
This is for after you see for the rice seasoning, and then they have ready to wrap. This is for the patty one. And look at that, it is not white one because they have a husk, but it is the seed is so small. This is not easy to open, break a husk by hand. It is stronger, but it's okay. You cannot only for yeah. It is not easy
break
one.
it open?
And then this is the machine for the rice mill machine to help for the farmer to break a husk. We have so many kind made from, this is made from bamboo or made from the stone, and we can use the mortar and then we plow inside. How she can make that? You just to see one. Okay.
So she's husking all the.
That's like a good workout.
It's like swinging somebody get faster. Wait, what does it do?
Take all the husk off the thing of the rice.
Yeah. But I got it already.
Now they're gonna have to
Okay.
shake them. Yep. I do that. I can show you do that too.
So the thing is grinds up the thing,
That's that.
and she.
Wait, before you see that?
Yeah, when she was younger, Popo used to do this. You used to have it? You want to show?
No, the rice.
Oh, wow.
Brown rice.
This is the brown rice.
Yes.
And this is the husk.
That's not open.
And then we shaking, this is the husk from the we throw for the animal to eat, chicken or duck, or we push under the tree. That's one.